Right behind me. Look at the secret stash of just donations piled up in here. Could you imagine what's in these boxes? I'll give you $10 to go back here and see what's in these boxes.
Welcome to Thrift Flip. You know what they say, one person's trash is another person's cash. My name's Dontae. Join me on my ultimate quest as I hunt for rare vintage nostalgia. My goal is to document and show you my ups and downs, the experience of buying and selling, and seeing how a couple of bucks can turn into thousands of dollars a month, if you know what I'm saying. Come hit the racks with me and find out on Thrift Flip.
We found the Olympus OM10 for $34.93. It's 25% off. Canon 81. Alright guys, so this is part of the shipping process right here. We've got 15, maybe 16 orders going out today. Got the bubble wrap, got my cleaning supplies just in case I need to do any last minute cleaning before I ship it out. We're gonna get the shipping labels printed out. Just wanna make sure everything's in order. This is from the very start of the order, get everything bubble wrapped. We got tape right here for the bubble wrap already pre-cut and everything. The only thing I really need to do is invest into a thermal laser printer. Once I have one of those, this will make everything so much more faster. Delivery. Let's get these all delivered. So we are at stop number 2. We're at Eco Thrift in Sacramento. First stop at Eco Thrift in Vallejo was cool. Found a couple cameras, but one was too pricey, one didn't work. The other one had battery acid and I didn't want to take the risk. Came up on a Lord of the Rings shirt and Jenga for $5. Oh, and like table ping pong. That was it. Let's go inside. Come up today, we got the Pentax IQ Zoom 120 MI, Olympus Super Zoom 80S, and a Dontae SRT201. All of them all work. Bro, peep this. This is mainly what I just found. Michael Jackson Tour 1988, bad.
Thank you for shopping with us.
Eco Thrift, Carmichael.
We appreciate your business. This week's current color is white. Green tags
Yes,
are 25%
sir.
off. Blue tags are 50% off.
What else we got
And
up here?
orange tags are 75% off.
Ooh. Town, San Pablo. Let's see what they got for us. Canon cameras. This one was broken.
Yeah, can I see a bunch of the craft things?
This one is 25 as well. Comes with a lot though. EOS Rebel G2. It's got some lens attachment. I got this guy. This one was broken. Good morning. What's good, everybody? Today is Monday, December 23rd. 2 days until Christmas. And right now we're in Reno, Nevada. As you can see, it's a pretty horrible day out right now, which means it should be a good day of thrifting. But sometimes it's not a good day of thrifting because when it rains, people tend to want to stay inside the thrift stores and not come out. And then, or it could be the other way where it's like it's raining and not a lot of people can actually get there. But what I'm afraid of is a lot of last minute Christmas shoppers going to the thrift store. Like that parking lot was empty yesterday and now it's got a bunch of people in it. We are here at the first thrift store, the SPCA thrift store here in Reno, Nevada. Are they even open yet?
Oh, we are closed today.
Excuse me? Are you guys open?
No, we're closed today.
Oh, okay, got it. Thank you. Well, on to the next one. First stop in Reno, Goodwill Outlet. Time to hit the bins.
Show me some.
Alright, you guys, no luck there either so far. So we are at Savers right here, donation center. Let's go inside and see what they have. Cross my fingers. Hope they got some good stuff.
Show me some. Show me some. Show me some. Hey, show me some. Show me some. Show me some. Show me some. Hey.
What's going on, everybody? Right now we are at Savers, Reno, Nevada. I see 2 cameras in this case right here, but damn, $70 and this one's $35. It's a little pricey, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a Fujica. I'll check it out. There might be some other ones back there as well, and even in that black case on the bottom, I wonder what's in there. We're gonna look for some small point shoots. Oh, look at this Tasmanian jacket.
Oh, I need to look at that.
I've said it before in past Thrift Flip episodes, so I'm going to continue saying this. When you're outsourcing, make sure you grab as much as you can. Deliberate later. What I like to do is put everything out on the rack, then I can figure out if the price works with my budget, if there's any flaws with the garments, am I going to be able to make a good return on my investment on these pieces? Is it trending in fashion? Is it something that's cool to me? Alright everybody, right now we are at Salvation Army thrift store. This is more like an outlet warehouse type place. We're gonna go see what's in there, see what we can find. I've never been here before. Last time I came here actually, it was closed. I've never been inside.
Show me some. Show me. Show me some. Show me. Show me some. Show me. Show me some. Hey, show me some. Show me. Show me some. Show me. Show me some. Show me. Show me some. Hey, hey, hey.
Okay. See this? This is a really amazing sign. This means that a camera's in here. Stay quiet. Power shot, Canon. There might be a film camera in here. Might be a pile of poop. Who knows? Nope. Ah, first camera. Sheesh. Imagine the shipping costs on this thing. All right, y'all. We're reporting live here at the Salvation Army thrift store. Looking for cameras and things of that nature. Sheesh. Is this a monitor? No, this is the charger. Ooh. It looks like the thing from Chucky.
Oh no.
Got it. Hey, change the channel. I've had this remote before. Any cameras in here? Nope. Cameras in here? That one doesn't even open.
Apple TV.
Apple TV though. First generation Apple TV. Apple TV.
Excuse me.
What's up?
I need to walk
I'm so
through.
sorry. Where are my manners? There's so much electronics just spread out randomly everywhere. There's books here. Is this a booby trap? What's this right here that I see? Ooh, okay. So my girlfriend pointed me into the right direction. Let's see if it works though. Seems the shutter is stuck. So it seems this doesn't work. And plus, look at the leather here. It's like somebody was eating at it. Did you see how much stuff they have back there? All right, y'all, so that was pretty much everything that we saw here. Didn't find anything, but we found cool things, right? We discovered this place, but if you look behind me, look at this secret stash of just donations piled up in here. Could you imagine what's in these boxes? I'll give you $10 to go back here and see what's in these boxes, please. All right, head to the next one.
Show me some. Show me. Show me some. Show me. Show me some. Hey, hey, hey.
Pretty much been through the entire store. No cameras. The rules of the thrift store is to deliberate later. Get whatever you can while you can, and then you can check later on for the price, if there's any stains, rips, or anything like that. Because if you sit there and you wait and you think about something, somebody might have grabbed something that you could have got. This is a 4XL.
Way too big.
They found that suede camel print Ralph Lauren polo button up. This is pretty dope. I just saw this sticking out on like a random section. It wasn't even in the t-shirts. It's a Wing Commander t-shirt. It's a PC game that came out in '97. And this is a development team t-shirt. It's printed on a Hanes BPT, so that tells me that this was made in the late 90s. I mean, look at this tie-dye print. This is sick. It's got the graphic right there. This is a cop for sure. Pro tip, if you're not sure how much something goes for, just open your phone and price comp. Price comping is going on platforms like eBay, Depop, Mercari, and getting as much info about what the market is selling a product for. Sometimes you find a product that's called a unicorn and you can't find any information on it, so the value of the item is priceless, but it's really up to the person that's buying the product.
What treasures have you found?
Oh, that's a 1997's video game, computer game that came out.
Really?
Yeah, I guess that's a t-shirt from the development team.
$2.
Is that with the employee discount?
You employee?
Oh, you just say that at all the stores. You never know. Sometimes we give you a discount. Sometimes we just make the person's day. You never know.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for tuning into this episode of Thrift Flip. My name's Dontae, Catlett. Check out how much money we made on this trip. Stay tuned for part 2 where we show all the other thrift stores we hit up in Reno, Nevada. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Make sure to turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on another one of my videos. Let's continue the conversation in the comment section. Drop a comment, let me know where you're from, what thrift stores you're into, what kind of items you want to flip, and just let me know if you have any questions and I'll feel free to answer those as soon as I can. Thanks.